Hi there, I'm Brenda Cadman from Bonaccord Creative, and in today's quick Canva tutorial, I want to show you how to use Canva's curved text effects. So let's jump into Canva. Creating curved text is something that was commonly requested in the past, and Canva did finally introduce it in 2020. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use. So I've got a little bit of text already on the design page here. I'm simply going to select it, and then what you'll do is you'll come up to this effects button here. And what you'll see down the page under shape is either none or curve. So if I click on curve, it's automatically going to pre-select a certain curve percentage. I can change that either by changing the number here, so I can enter 90 instead. That's going to curve it even more, or I could take it down to 20, which would make it less of a curve, or you can actually drag this bar back and forth. This will make the curve greater in one direction, or you can curve it in the other direction. So you can play with that to get it just the way that you want it, perhaps to wrap around an element of some kind. And then you can also combine it with the other text effects that are available to you. So for example, if I wanted to combine it with hollow, I could do that, or with shadow, or if I wanted to change it to echo, you can combine the curve with the other text effects available to you. Stay tuned for more quick Canva tips and tutorials, and if you're looking for a step-by-step introduction to using Canva more efficiently in your business, be sure to check out my Canva 101 mini course.